5 assets that make you rich. Welcome to Money Mentor. Before we start, first you need to know difference between assets and liability. Assets puts money in your pocket and liability cost you money. The more assets you have making money, the richer you are. Now here are 5 assets that make you richer. Number 1. Real estate. There is one unique thing in real estate that in this sector huge potential of making money. People can become so rich in real estate and can multiply their net worth. I love real estate because of 2 reasons. Number 1. Rent. Money is coming in without any work. Number 2. Appreciation. Population is growing up and as demand of real estate is also increasing. And this keeps increasing your money every time. Number 2. Stocks. There are so many successful people and stories in the stock market and people are making and growing their money in stock market. But before we invest in stock market, you have to understand and get educated about stock market. If you invest in stock market without any knowledge, there are high probability you will lose your money. So before investing in a stock, you should have proper knowledge. Number 3. Royalty. Royalty is a great source of passive income, providing benefit to people who create intangible assets or work of art. Musical owing music rights, cinema rights, and author grant their rights to use their copyright materials. Earn income. It is a great source of passive income. Number 4. Commodities. Like gold and silver, when you own these assets, they also increase in their value and they makes you wealthy. But the big mistake in this, when an individual mind understand gold investing, it instantly thinks of jewelry. No, jewelry is not the right investment. If you want to invest in gold and silver, then invest digitally by buying gold bonds or ETFs. Basically, a digital bond is the best way for you to invest in gold or silver or in any commodities. Number 5. Patents. When you invent something new, you can protect your invention by filing a patent. It is a document that certified inventor and describes in detail what your invention was. With this protection implies company have to pay money in order to use your innovation. Patents are incredible, powerful and valuable. In business world, a single patent can make you rich. So these were 5 assets that will make you rich. If you loved the video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to never miss the upcoming content.